Hey everyone, this is Mark with Hat Tech, and in this video we're going to check out what might be my favorite app of all times. This is Sync Settings, and it does exactly what you think. Say you got a new Mac or many Macs that need to have the same app settings. That's where this app comes in. You can use this to export all of the app settings to a single file, import it on the other Mac, and now all supported apps will have the same settings, no hours of configuration required. This app is very simple despite the complex operations it can do. The main page shows you all the apps you have installed on your machine with several other useful items. The blue dot shows you what apps can be backed up. We see the last time it was backed up and what action needs to be taken on them. When it says nothing to do, that usually means the app has no preference files or has already been synced and no changes haven't made since. The 4 buttons at the top are not immediately obvious what they do, and there are no tooltips either. However, the I opens the selected app in Finder, the X removes the selected app backup files, and then the check and minus just selects and unselects all of the apps. The way you operate the app is with the 3 large buttons on the top right. Backup will make the initial backup with the selected apps. Install will install the backup file, and Synchronize will sync changes to the initial backup file. It works really well and does everything very quickly as well. On the top left there are 4 tabs. The main one allows you to sync app settings. The second tab syncs executable settings. The third tab allows you to sync specific files. And the final tab allows you to write instructions that you'd like to reference later. So let's see how this thing works. Just to test it, I'll change some settings on the app, copy and paste. Let's check the box to back up this app. We'll make the backup and head over to another computer. On the other computer, we'll open the app and import the file. Now if we take a look at copy and paste, we can see that those changes have been made after importing the file. Now this was just an example of one single app, but this of course works on many more. Not every app is going to work with sync settings, but the developers have made sure that it works especially well with apps from Adobe and JetBrains. I find this extremely useful when setting up new Macs, making changes to other computers, and keeping them in sync, and even for companies that need to set up Macs with certain changes already made. There really are no downsides to this app. I did notice that every time you open the app, you must allow access to your disk. I'm not sure if that's something that can be fixed with a software update, but it's just a minor issue. But if you're interested in checking out this app, I'll be sure to leave a link to it in the description below. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. Be sure to hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. This is Mark with Hat Tech, and I'll see you in the next one.